Game 41 of the Big Bash coming your way from the Gabba. The Hobart Hurricanes, they've won the toss and they've put the Brisbane Heat in to bat. A vastly changed Brisbane Heat lineup. 3 from 9, sitting 6th on the ladder, the home side. The Hurricanes were going nicely, but they've dropped their last 2. They are 4 from 9, and a nice strip too to celebrate Indigenous culture that the Brisbane Heat. 15, economy of 7.1. Nicely cut away by Clayton. And that'll be the opening boundary for the Brisbane Heat. Bowled him! Nice in-swinger. Clayton is castled by the impressive Rogers, and the first wicket falls for the Canes. Boy, wound into that has Pepper. Got a good piece of that. Catch goes down.
No, that's a dolly.
Big drive by
nice.
Pepper. He's hit a 6, and now he's picked up a boundary beside it. Just eases that this time. Opened the face. Very nice cricket shot. That's a bit of length that he enjoys. Good touches, Jake Lehman.
Chance of rolling the Hurricanes, so he's optimistic.
Great stuff. Smacked away. Got enough on it, did Pepper, who is a clean striker.
4 from 12 deliveries.
That's real trouble there. Lamachani's pumped about the wicket. Jake Lehman is done. Means a lot.
In the second innings, he... Oh, good shot.
Gee, that's a classy shot from Pepper. He's got power and touch. Sandeep chases it and rolls it straight into the rope. Let's get Huss. Put him under the pump. Hazlitt winds into it and he's gone. Pulled away hard and taken. Cooper is gone. Good catch out there. The 4th wicket goes down. The skipper can't believe it. Darcy Short, though.
Potentially should be in the 11.
High on the bat from Pfeffer. Fine leg comes in. Can't get there. Wet late.
Big miss. How much is that going to cost the Hobart Hurricanes?
Too sure he got a 4 on this in the end. I think he missed it.
That Wayne Clark was telling our coach.
Wood goes after a full ball and he's dropped.
He thought this was a hot potato.
Got there.
Yeah, should have taken.
Difficult out there in the middle.
Oh, that is a hit.
Not that difficult.
Wood launches, clears everything. Catch goes down, but Wood. Yeah! Wood is gone. Good catch by McDermott. Lamachani gives him the stare as if to say, now listen.
Just dragged back just slightly. It's the googly. Too close to be cutting. Really good bowling.
Pfeffer, though, is on 47. Has he got enough of it? The Pfeff, he has! 50! Well played to that man right there. Lachlan Pfeffer. Oh, that's well whipped by McGiffin, but straight to the fielder. Carved away. Not sure that's where it was intended, but it doesn't matter. She's picked that up, has pressed Witch. See you later. Doesn't strike it quite so well this time. Gets it into the gap though. Presswich hits a big ball, and that's the biggest of the night over backward square. Is he providing some?
It's a great little cameo from Prestwich.
To bowl it. It's Mitch Owen. Pfeffer throws everything at it. It could be gone. The end of a fine innings from Pfeffer. Tried to give it some Larry Dooley. They run through, but McDermott was very sharp there.
Oh, the DJ's playing your recorder, Huss.
Well done by
Copy
McDermott.
that. Thank you. Satisfied. Battery short of the ground and going to the big screen.
Can Dooley give it some off the final ball? Pumps it down the ground. Pretty good strike that by Paddy Dooley. Finishes it in style.
1 down the ground, 144. He's generally a little bit light at the Gabba, but a really good effort. And our man, the Pfeff, there you go, 69 from 51. Fantastic striking.
Macca's bowling card. Meredith 1 for 28. Lamachani with the figures 2 for 23. And well done to Owen. Very early in his Big Bash career, 4 overs, 10 dots, 2 for 25. This is the man Ben McDermott, big, strong operator. He'll be there with Caleb Jewell. Grant just tucked around the corner by Jewell. Jake Lehman is out there. Gone! It was a long decision. Period. Prestwich was confident. Caught behind. First wicket fall.
Automatic wiki.
Majib, that's wide to McDermott. He's not going to miss out on that. Ben McDermott whacks it away around the corner. 4 runs. Majib. That's McDermott's area. Smashed away. McDermott, reverse sweep. What a shot. Smoked! I've seen him play that shot that regularly. Oh, small stuff happening. This is outstanding. That is a Hatsoglu style operation. Great piece of effort out there. McDermott takes it on and takes it on nicely. Spoons it back. Grant flew in the air. Got a couple of hands on it. Would have been an absolute snorter. Kirby and Adams. So McDermott on 49. Works it away. Calls 2. Hanscom comes back the other way, and well played Ben McDermott. His 4th 50 of the season. His 12th in total, and he is the main man at the moment, Ben McDermott.
Yeah, and that last shot, I think he's very clever. We know he can strike it hard. And
oh, gee, all right. 6 shot and a half, that is.
Oh, has it gone all the way? Ball either way. Oh.
Power from McDermott. He's not running for that. Just stood there, delivered it, went whack, and then remarked his guard. Your son, Paddy Dooley, in at some stage during the tournament. McDermott over cover, if you don't mind the power of this man. Right into him. Gee, hits a hard ball. Well hit again by McDermott. 4 more. Hanscom gets inside the line, whips it to the boundary. McDermott, that's the boundary he needs to keep the 100 dream alive. McDermott winds into it. 1 bounce. 91 for Ben McDermott. It's high. It's going to be a tough one to catch. Does this end the McDermott dream? It does. Ben McDermott goes. Really good catch. Darcy Short looks like he's in the frame of mind to get this done and get it done quickly. Time to get this done one way or the other. Oh, Darcy's in the mood. 1 required for the win now. And that is what we're used to seeing from Darcy Short.
That's a great shot.
Prestwich to Short. Works it off his hip. Single will do it. Well done to the Hobart Hurricanes. A convincing win by 8 wickets. 17.2 overs. On the back of that man, Ben McDermott. 93. A wonderful knock.